First things first, I appreciate your support. So we said to leave your washing machine smelling good, you have to remove this, clean and return. So these are basics that anyone can do. Removing water soap dispenser, push, it's written push here. Once you pull it, it's written push, and then pull it out. So this one you can do and you don't need a technician, but this is where we come in. Let me show you. You see, you only see the outside, but we need to clean in there. Yes, a brush might help when you scrub, but what we do is we come remove this. Like that. Then we unhook here. You see? That's horrible. So we remove this these clips that holds the hose tight to the dispensing compartment. So once you remove it, this is what you find. So this is what we do. Now we soak this and then clean it. We scrub it. You know, this is like a sieve. You see inside there? That's like a sieve. So when this blocks, even if the filter is clean, this is the filter. That's the filter. So even if this filter is clean and this one is clogged, the machine will still not receive water at the required time. So we unblock that. Then ensure these hoses are clear. And then we plug it back. And in the process, we remove this. You see how dirty it is? We clean that as well. Very dirty. We're going to clean that. And then we clean the rubber as well. Because the only thing you can do when the rubber is this way, you only use clean cloths to clean here. But for this, you have to call us. You have to get a technician. See, this you have to get a technician. This you have to get a technician. Now you see this rubber is quite worn out, mold, it's torn. This one now needs a replacement. So this is what we do when you come to your washing machine. We are completely unplug it. We dismantle it. We clean the dispensing compartment. We clean this hose here. Then we also remove this, because of blockages. You only remove the filter. The filter is here. This is the filter. So you'll open the filter, yes. So if there's something in here, if you're lucky, resolved. If not, we remove this. There's a screw holding it here and a spring. So we remove this, clean all this. And then this pipe here, we ensure it has no dent because it determines the level of water in the drum. It connects to the pressure switch. This is the pressure switch. So we clean all that and ensure everything is clean. Then we have something we call the dampers. These are the dampers. We lubricate them. So on this one, I'm going to lubricate this. There's another damper there. There's another one behind there. So we lubricate the dampers, because this is where when the machine is loaded, it bounces in there like that. Like that. Yes. As simple as that. So don't play yourself. Book for maintenance. Do the basics and book for maintenance. We love you guys. Remember to subscribe, like and share.